Textile production is a major contributor to climate change. One of the ingredients for making clothes, like needle, pin, tape, tailor chalk, types of button, and etc. It produced an estimated 1.2 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent a year. That's more than international flight and maritime shipping combined. Clothing is the leading online vertical. 42% of holiday shoppers do research online and buy it online, while 23% will buy it in store. A polyester shirt has more than double the carbon footprint of a cotton shirt. This chart of carbon footprint, it can take as much as 10,000 to 20,000 liters of water to produce. 1 kilogram of cotton equivalent to the weight of a shirt and pair of jeans. The fashion industry is projected to use 35% more land for fiber production by 2030.